What's up YouTube? It's Ready Music Man back with another video. The Acura TL. Pretty much bought this car as a beater. So over the course of the videos you will see me make some improvements and stuff. It's kinda, wasn't too good. Can't expect too much getting the car from Florida though. Okay, so overview of the vehicle. So I have kenwood 7 inches. Here, woofers. It was a component set. This is a crossover. I got the tweeter mounted here. I made some custom A-pillar pods right here and right there. Same thing on that side. This is a kenwood high resolution radio that I'm running. I'm going to be upgrading it because it's not putting up the correct RCA voltage. So I'm not getting everything I need out of this radio. Also have these 3 inches up here that I built. Not so great. All this is going to be redone. The dash is going to get a new cover for it. I'm going to transform this whole bit. And the back doors. Sorry, I got all these tools in here. And the back doors, I'm going to redo these door pods. It's going to be some more 7 inches. Put a tweeter somewhere around here. Same thing on this side. I had a tweeter and a 7 inch in it before, but I didn't like it, so I took it apart. All of this is going to be coming out. This is 2 JLW7 13.5, and it's on a depth bounce 1000. It sounds pretty good. I got some videos up on them already. I have the faceplate for that. I didn't put it on because I'm changing the cone. I'm reconing this whole entire speaker right here. This one is fine, but this one needs a recone. I also have an 8 inch kenwood, and I had pods for 7 inch and 6.5 on each side. Them 6.5s are coming out. I'm just gonna run one 7 inch. So I'm gonna have a 7 inch on each side up top, 8 inch in the middle. Side of this factory, like almost a box. I'm gonna fiberglass that up. But I'm gonna run 7 inches down here on each side with a tweeter, and I'm gonna run 7 inches up top with a tweeter as well. These pieces right here go on the sides, and I'm gonna be fiberglassing the tweeter for the top into this, and as well as 2 more 3 inches. So I'm gonna get some footage on that. This right here is a signal processor for the bass. Pretty much like an epicenter for audio control, just not audio control. I might use this, I might not, just depends. It's for like older music that don't really have much bass in it. You can add some bass in it, you can make it low, you can make it high. I like low bass, so I got mine at 27 hertz. It's not even hooked up though. Roof. I did this roof before, but I'm a lot better at upholstery now, so I'm gonna take this off and redo it. See, it's sagging right there. Redo this roof. Yeah, see, the quality isn't that good. Up top, under here, crack. Right in this area is a crack. So I'm gonna have to weld it or find some way to stiffen it up. I have to stiffen up this whole entire thing because that cracked glass jumping in and out from these two. So I'm gonna have to stiffen up the roof. The windshield was doing the same thing, but I fixed that. All this under here has to be reinforced. So I might end up having to take the sunroof track off, the whole thing, and go with some wood underneath it, then put the track back on and stiffen it up. But I haven't made my mind up yet. Right here right here where the sub sit. That carpet's gonna be gone, and all of that's gonna be fiberglass. So it's almost gonna be as if it's a 6-order essentially. Just that this outer part right here is not really gonna be tuned. It's gonna have a tune, but I'm not gonna know what it is. I could probably put it on the tone generator and get a frequency of it. But so far, that's what I'm working with. Fuse holder. I'm changing all the wires out. This is 2-aught 0 gauge down in the bottom. Regular 0 gauge from the 3. This wire right here is that needs to be changed. This goes to an AGM battery back on the side the box. And this blue one goes to the lithium right there on this side. The lithium is rated to run with AGM. And the big amp runs all the way back to that. So back here's the amp rack. It was a whole lot better than this, but I haven't made a lot of changes and adjustments to it. But all of this is getting redone. It's probably gonna be done. It's gonna be enclosed with plexiglass and all that. It's probably gonna be a brush aluminum, kind of like this. All of this is gonna be cleaned up. Maybe have some around. It's gonna have some built-in fans. It's probably gonna go 2 on this side, 2 on that side. Gotta tidy up on this some more, some kind of way it gets dust in. Maybe this hole right here, where the emblem's supposed to go. Some kind of way it gets a lot of dust in here, and that's where all this dust comes from. Redoing the box as well. Keep these plexiglass windows and redo them. Those are back of the woofers right there. So I got something special that I'm gonna do for that. I'm gonna have my logos imprinted right on the bottom of the box. This is a Kenwood 606 DSP. It's gonna run all tweeters on this. All tweeters. This is a maestro. You need this actually to operate this. This is a Kenwood 3024. High resolution. This goes to the 3 inches that I have. I have 2 right now. I have the order on this side. This is Kenwood 414. High resolution. This is gonna run the front doors. So I have to get a second one of these to run back doors. So front running 2 7-inches side by side, and I'm gonna record all that. It's gonna be fiberglass. So all of this is gonna be different. I might put a plexiglass window in it with my logo. Haven't made my mind up, but I think I might do that in the same material I was gonna do back there with the brush aluminum. So yeah, it's my music switch. Turn the big amp on. Also turns on the lights under there. And inside of the box when I open the trunk. So that's the overview so far of what I've done before I started actually recording content. So now I'm going to take the door panel off and start mocking up how I want to proceed with the box that I'm going to use. I have a piece of wood right over here. This is my other car. I'm going to do a full build on this too. This is the wood I'm probably going to be using to make my speakers and stuff. It's some birch. Nothing fancy. Probably going to use that make the speaker rings and then fiberglass on the top of it. So some prior tendencies. These are actually for sale. Anybody want any? I'm authorized dealer for Pride Audio and MTX Audio so far. But yeah, so let's get started. The first thing I want to do is take these 2 screws out. It's another screw that's supposed to go. Let's see if I can see it on camera. Right there now. But this door been on off so many times that I didn't even put it up there the last time. I gotta get more clips and stuff. I need this to be as solid as possible. So take the door off. Gotta undo all these wires. Take the door panel upstairs and get started on. I'm gonna actually lay it out and do it. Okay, so I got the door off. Take this out. Undo the clip that goes on top of that, just right here. Unplug this. Unplug this. I had some wires coming off of this to go to this for my light. Didn't do a good job, so I might end up getting some new door panels. Redoing this. That's something I don't know yet. Yeah, gonna take this up. Also have to unplug these. It's pretty simple. Push in and pull. Yeah, I should come right on up. Got everything disconnected. Now we can take it up top and get everything laid out. Alright, got the door panel. This is the back of the door panel, of course. This is my main concern, is this part right here with the drawer. Shouldn't be too bad. But yeah, it's gonna have to come out. So I was trying to see exactly how I wanted to do it, because I kind of want to make it a sealed. I don't know if I want to make it a sealed box or leave an outlet right here for it to go inside of the door, you know, like regular speakers do. I'm not sure. I might make it a pod though. But yeah, I'm gonna take all this off. It's factory stuff. I'm gonna replace it with some sound down there on the back of the panel. Make sure I tighten up all the screws, old screws and stuff. Make sure everything nice and tight. I don't want any rattles out of this door panel. So when I put that box up there, the pod, I don't want that to rattle either, because that'll actually mess with your sound quality. This right here is the woofer, Kenwood 7-inch. XR 1801P. Takes 120 watts. 3-on speaker. Sounds pretty good. It's pretty loud. This is actually made of like Kevlar, like a bulletproof material. Super lightweight. Pretty good speaker. Rubber surround. Not too big, nothing like Focal or anything, but it delivers a decent amount of bass. This is the fiberglass that I'm going to be using. Excuse my battery. This is the battery I took out of that car. It's North Star. I'm just charging it up. So yeah, sitting at 14.5. The indicator isn't on that it's fully charged yet, so I might have to charge it a few hours. But yeah, I'm gonna rip all this stuff off and turn it over and tape up where I want my new box set. Draw lines on it so I can see it when I take the tape off, and like that. Okay, it's the next day, so I have one little issue, right? So this is where I put the pod at right here. But you see, the clearance is not really what I need, but I think I do have a solution. So what I'm gonna do is, so I have to watch out, leave room for this right here. Well, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my tape from wherever I need it from here and just go straight across. Keep layering up till it get kind of thick and stiff, and then just kind of just bring it back this way, and then continue on. That way I can have the clearance for this. And there it is. I just gotta let it get some sunlight so it can cure. But yeah, came out pretty good. Gotta stick it back here to hold this part out so it's stiffen up kind of, or mostly straight. But it has a couple layers on it, good maybe 3 layers on it. So once it's dry, it should be pretty solid. Then I can add my speaker rings here and there. Then I gotta see about how I'm gonna close this up. Might use a piece of wood and close it up like that. Screw a piece of wood on this side, maybe wrap some more fiberglass over top of it, seal it from the inside. I don't know yet. I'll figure it out. But yep, that's what we got so far.